How to remove my AI from Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove my AI from Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, what you can do is just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as clear or delete my AI data. So simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping on confirm, and this will remove the my AI chat history and reset the chatbot on Snapchat. And that's it. That's how you can remove my AI from Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.